installing the 10mm wheel spacers, it can reduce the gap between the tire and fender, which improves the cosmetic and stability. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and tires flat to the fender. If you are trying to achieve a unique sporty appearance, consider a proper set of 10mm wheel spacers. 10mm wheel spacers will add about 10mm back spacing for your wheels, whether you upgrade a larger diameter wheels or bigger performance brakes. Keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. If you put 10mm wheel spacers on each wheel, that adds a total of 20mm track width. You don't need to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing 10mm spacers. If you are worried about the spacer will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality half-century wheel spacers. A half-century wheel spacer comes with a half-century lip as a traction point. For some vehicles, the protrusion may stick out the half-century lip of the spacer by a few millimeters. Then you need to change to wheel spacers with thinner half-century lips. BONOSS half-century 10mm wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacer better fit the hub protrusion. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right half-century 10mm spacers, there will be no problem. The precision of BONOSS 10mm wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Precise 10mm wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. Besides, the benefit of the plus design of BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice. The wheel spacers put the wheels out slightly. I personally like this out stance.